What's going on, everybody? Behind me is a 1971 Chevy C10 long bed. My grandpa bought it at a car truck show in, I don't remember, but he bought it a long time ago. It's been sitting in his garage for about 20 some years. But he said that me and him can fix it up, and then I'll have another truck to drive. So not only will I have the F-150 back there, but I'll also have this truck for a show truck. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, walk around it, show you what I did with it today. Mainly just dug it out of the garage, aired up the tires, and cleaned it a little bit. It needs a good waxing because it is filthy still, but I'm gonna give you a walk around real quick. So let's get into the video. Okay, so to start things off, it's black, if you couldn't tell, but there is a lot of just residue from sitting for how many ever years it ended up being. But a good wax and that'll all come off. When we got it home, well, so he lives my grandpa lives a couple miles that way down the road. What we did was we just hooked it on to a tow rope and pulled it all the way home. Wasn't very hard, just went pretty slow. But the first thing we did today with this truck was we cleaned out the bed and everything. We filled up the tires, pushed it out of the garage. I was gonna bring it home and wash it, but we ended up just washing it there. It cleaned up pretty nice. I've got some before and after videos that I'll put in real quick. And then after we got it cleaned up, we hooked the tow rope up to it and pulled it over here. So now I will show you the outside. Here, I'll show you the inside of what's under the hood real quick. Pull this up. Okay, and this is what needs worked on a little bit. I can't start it up this video because it doesn't start right now. But the headlights do work, the blinkers work, the windshield wipers work. So that's all good things. But here's what the motor looks like. It's pretty cool looking. I don't know a lot about this truck yet, but I plan to learn this summer and everything else. Dr. Pepper. Got a blue bow tie. It's got some wood accents on it. I'll show you the back of the truck. It's got a dual exhaust. Here's what the back of the truck looks like. That's pretty cool right there. Yeah. Okay, now I'll show you the inside. I'll set this down in here. Okay. Open it up. First thing first. These are called wing windows. I call them wingdows. I know that was corny, but oh well. Okay. So the interior was actually pretty clean. Oh yeah, the radio works too. But the inside was actually pretty darn clean. All we did was kind of just wipe it off. But this is how it looks. Got the steering wheel, park, reverse, neutral, drive, whatever. We got the pedals. Got the glove box. But yeah, the inside's actually pretty darn clean. But yeah. Oh, I'll show you the video of when we were hooking up the tow rope to it. Right here. But yeah, that'll probably be the end of the video. I just thought I'd show you the kind of project truck, I guess. Gotta get it fixed up. I'll try to vlog part of it or video part of it as much as I can. But all we did today was get it out of the garage, wash it, got a lot of dust off of it, and then brought it over to my house. So now me and my grandpa plan on start working on it, and then I'll just keep you guys in touch. I think I'm gonna end this video with a cool montage. So peace.